right. All Space Mysterious, my guy. I need you to log out. Bro, I know you're not going to pull a GTA and try to steal a helicopter. Bro, why you at a helicopter station? My guy, you're my day one since high school, bro. I know you since I was in 10th grade. No, 11th grade. I knew you since I was in 11th grade. Like, bro, I know you're not serious about pulling GTA trying to steal a helicopter. Bro, just go home, bro. Seriously, go home. You don't belong here. My God. Like, why are you even at the station, bro? And I done said the title, at the helicopter station. My question is, why are you there? Are you there just chilling? Are you there to record? You trying to drop a diss track or something? But if you did try to steal a helicopter, bro, seriously, go home. I'm be straight. I'm gonna treat dead ass with you. Go home, please. Like, what is this? Like, are you insane? Like, look at this. Bro's throwing up. I don't know what kind of sign he throwing up, but that's besides the point. Bro, go home. And the crazy thing is, nobody see him walked in at the helicopter station. That's crazy. Bro probably had invisibility or invincibility, but it doesn't matter. All Spring Mysterious, my guy, go home, bro. Walk home or take a car. Or teleport, do something. Like, what is he doing? Bro, at the helicopter station, chilling like a villain. Like, bro. Like, come on, bro. You're the god of music, but you at a helicopter station. Like, bro, why are you there? Man, I don't, Joe, bro.